Hello friends, welcome to this project where we will draw this face using pen tool. So you can find this template.ai file in your resource files. Now I will make this as our base. So what I will do, I will select this template layer and I will reduce its opacity to say around 11%, and let's create a new layer and we will draw using the pen tool. We will draw the face part. So let's see. Now let's think of it. Let's think previously how we can draw this cartoon face. We need few shapes or few sub layers, you can say. The first part is the hair. Hair will be a separate different closed path. So yeah, uh, by this you will understand clearly that just think about how many closed paths there will be. One is this hair, two is this face structure with this face, okay, three ears, these ears, and finally we can draw these using brush only, so that's simple. Even we will draw this smile also using pen tool. So let's see, let's start. So first of all, let's try to draw this ear, right? Let's zoom in. So here is our first anchor point. Okay, I didn't lock this template layer. See, I'm really mad. First anchor point here. Second, let's come here, drag like this, and remember, no fill, no fill. Well, see, using the control key, what is happening? This bounding box is coming, right? So you can always go to the view menu and hide the bounding box. Now working with pen tool will become much easier. Resume our path. And now just join here. So this is ear, right? Now let's see whether we have any issue here. Yeah, okay. Now simply you can just click Alt drag to make a copy of it. Simply you can move it here and go to transform, or you can just right click, transform, reflect. There you go. Click on OK and just move it like this. If it's not there, then rotate it, and for rotating, let's show the bounding box. Yeah, just like this. Now we need to draw the face part, right? But before face, let's cover the hair. So select the pen tool, and now let's come here. Let's lock these two paths. Again, let's hide the bounding box. Okay, let's come here. And just join. That's it. So ears are done and head part is done. This is the head part. Let's provide a fill color to it. Okay, that's cool, right? Even you can correct these locations if you wish. Nope, not full. Well, select the direct selection tool, select only this point, and you can move it like this. You can control using the control handles also. Now select. Okay, now lock these hair path and select these two paths. This one and this one. Right click, arrange, bring to front, and you can provide a fill color of, say, this color. What do you think? Okay, now let's do the face part, right?